dear Zoom Auto family. Buckle up, because today we've got something absolutely out of this world. We're not just reviewing a car, not even an SUV. We're talking about a rolling palace. Yes, the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motor Home, and trust me, this isn't just luxury on wheels. It's an entire 5-star hotel that moves with you. Ready? Let's dive in. From the outside, this beast instantly screams Maybach. You get that massive signature chrome grille proudly carrying the Maybach emblem, and sleek LED matrix headlights that look like they've come straight from the future. The body? Smooth, sculpted, aerodynamic, which is impressive for something this huge. It's like Mercedes said, sure, let's make a motorhome, but let's also make it glamorous. And of course, it wouldn't be Maybach without a two-tone paint scheme. Shiny metallic finishes, glossy perfection, and those 22-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels that look like they belong in a luxury fashion show. At the back, the story continues with a full-width LED light bar, sparkling chrome accents, and a powered liftgate that makes loading up your Louis Vuitton luggage an effortless job. Yep, this is not your average camper van, but my friends, the real magic starts when you step inside. One word, opulence. The automatic sliding door opens and boom, you're inside what feels more like a luxury penthouse in Dubai than a vehicle. Everywhere you look, it's pure craftsmanship. Napa leather seats, handcrafted wood trims, crystal accents, and soft customizable ambient lighting. It's so beautiful you'll actually forget you're sitting in a motorhome. Let's start with the front cabin. The captain's chairs are everything you expect from Maybach. Heated, cooled, massaging, and designed to make every drive feel like first-class travel. Behind that, the living area is next level. Plush reclining lounge seats, a 55-inch OLED smart TV, and a Burmester 3D surround sound system that basically turns road trips into private movie nights. Oh, and the kitchen? Guys, this is where it gets crazy. An induction cooktop, convection oven, built-in espresso machine, yes, your latte is covered, a refrigerator with a wine cooler, and even marble-finished countertops. Because of course, why not? The dining table transforms into a sleek work desk if you want to sign million-dollar deals on the move. And for rest, forget cramped RV beds. You get a king-size memory foam mattress with silk bedding. That's right, silk. There's also a spa-like bathroom with a rainfall shower, heated floors, and even a smart mirror that doubles as a control screen. Basically, you'll feel like royalty wherever you park. Now let's talk power, because this beauty isn't just a pretty face. Under the hood sits a 4.0L twin turbocharged V8 with a mild hybrid system, producing around 550 horsepower. That's enough muscle to move this giant smoothly and confidently. Pair it with an N-speed automatic gearbox and adaptive air suspension, and you're floating down highways like you're riding on clouds. Despite its size, stability, and handling are top-notch, Maybach has really nailed that balance between comfort and control. And of course, technology is everywhere. The latest MBUX infotainment system, augmented reality navigation, over-the-air updates, full smartphone integration, and even autonomous driving features for long highway cruises. Safety? Absolutely. 60-degree cameras, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and the kind of advanced driver aids you'd expect in something this premium. But here comes the big question: the price. Well, this is Maybach, so you already know it won't be cheap. The 2026 Maybach Motor Home starts around $1.2 million, and with customization, easily won't be $1 million or more. Buyers can tweak everything: colors, materials, layouts, even bespoke one-off features. Basically, it's limited only by your imagination and your bank account. So who is this really for? Honestly, it's for the 0.1% who don't want to compromise. The kind of people who want to travel the world but refuse to give up their luxury lifestyle. And to be fair, this motorhome delivers exactly that. It's Maybach comfort, Maybach performance, and Maybach exclusivity, all rolled into one gigantic masterpiece. And that wraps up today's review of the 2026 Mercedes Maybach Motor Home. Personally, I think this sets a whole new bar for luxury travel. What about you? Would you choose this over a private jet or a super yacht? Let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Zoom Auto, and share this with someone who loves luxury cars. Until next time, my dear Zoom Auto family, and drive safe, dream big, and keep that engine roaring.